In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Perplexity AI account with ease. Many people are finding Perplexity AI to be an incredible tool for all sorts of AI-driven tasks. And getting started by logging in is the first step. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you'll need to open up your web browser. It doesn't matter which one you prefer, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, they all work just fine for our purpose today. In the address bar, type in Perplexity AI to initiate a Google search. You'll be directed to a page with search results. The very first link usually directs you straight to the Perplexity AI official site, so go ahead, click on that link, and you'll be transported to the welcoming front page of Perplexity AI. Once you're on the Perplexity AI homepage, you'll see an option saying Continue with Google. This option is conveniently located for easy access, ensuring that you have a seamless, secure, and quick method to get into your account without having to manually enter username and password details. Just click on that Continue with Google button and let the process move ahead. Next, you'll see a list of Google accounts you've previously signed in on your browser, or you might need to add your account if it's not listed. If you see your account attached to a familiar email, simply click on your preferred email address, and that will link your Perplexity AI login with your Google credentials. Using an existing Google account is both time-saving and secure due to the high level of security that Google employs for its services. The following step involves a confirmation where you'll need to click on Continue. This step verifies your intent to log in and ensures that everything is proceeding with your explicit permission. It helps in cross-checking and reassuring that it's truly you logging in. And there you have it. With these few simple steps, you're now logged in to your Perplexity AI account and ready to explore all the fascinating features that the platform has to offer. Don't hesitate to experiment with different capabilities and options to get the most out of your experience. As you explore, remember, you can always log out and back in with these same steps if needed. It's a user-friendly process designed to keep your interactions as smooth as possible. If ever you bump into issues or need more help, don't worry. There are numerous resources and help guides available online that can walk you through any snafu you might encounter. Thanks for watching, and may your journey with Perplexity AI be insightful and rewarding.